Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable third-party billing for an order inside Warehance. On the left-hand menu, click on Orders, then select the specific order you want to edit. Scroll down, and on the right-hand side you'll see the third-party billing section. Click on the Edit icon. Now enter the required details like carrier, example FedEx or UPS, service level, account number, country code, and postal code. Once all fields are completed, click Save. Before saving, make sure the account number you're using is authorized for third-party billing with the selected carrier. For example, if you're using FedEx or UPS, the account must be set up on their end to accept third-party charges. After saving, the order will be updated and ready to ship with third-party billing enabled. For any questions, reach out to our support team. We're here to help.